Come test drive the 2016 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited. The Jeep Wrangler Unlimited is an on- and off-road capable vehicle that was made for you to enjoy. Stylish, rugged, and comfortable, all traits of the Wrangler that let you decide where you want to go and how you want to get there. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, convertible soft top, tires, front all-terrain, fog lamps, tires, rear all-terrain, four-wheel disc brakes, privacy glass, brake assist. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.